What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you a cheap and easy way to fix the broken clutch bracket problem on a Mazda RX8. So these Mazda RX8 clutch pedal bracket assemblies, they have a break-off problem where this one piece in this corner, it just kind of snaps off with a lot of continuous use of the pedal. So what I'm going to do today is make some brackets and weld them on for reinforcement in the two spot welded areas. So as you saw in my last video, the clutch pedal was like swung over right next to the brake, and that's how you know that you have this problem. I have some pieces all drawn up. These are the SolidWorks drawings. I just printed them out. I'll leave a link to these in the description. I haven't actually made them yet, but this should be pretty rough estimates of what it should be. So the material I'm going to use for reinforcement is this 16 gauge metal sheet. I just got this from the Home Depot. It was like $6 or $7. It's 6 inches by 18 inches. It's going to be plenty. If you just have some relatively similar to a 1/16 of an inch lying around, that would be awesome too. Just anything that you can weld to that's going to reinforce these brackets. Oh my gosh. The power just went out. Holy cow. Oh my god. Oh shoot. Alright, so we're back. Next day, power's back on. So let's complete drawing these out and then get them cut. So I've got them poorly sketched out right here, so now I'm going to bring them down to the jigsaw and get them cut out. So this piece just doesn't quite fit how I wanted it. And I should have tested it before I welded it, but obviously I didn't. The angle's just a little too steep. I bet you I can modify this thing to work. So I revised this piece and I took the back off completely, rounded it out. So I was actually measuring, I guess I just must have measured it very wrong when I was designing it, but this distance I had it as 1.3 inches from there to there, but I changed it, it's now at 0.93, so it's pretty far off. I don't know how I measured that wrong. Cut the back piece off completely just because it's going to be easier. So this piece just slides in right here. Just like that, and I'm just going to weld that around there. That should be fine. It shouldn't be too big of a deal. And then this piece, just going to weld in right there. So let's get these guys all welded in, and then what we're going to do when we do this is we're going to weld around all the way, like around here, all the way on the outside right here. So the clutch pedal is back mounted on to the car, and that is spacing is much better than it was before. I just bled the whole clutch system, so everything's working nice and firm. No sponginess in there. Now if we take a peek up there, don't mind all the wires. Right there, there's the bracket. There's the fixed bracket of the clutch right there. And you can see it's working a ton better. Clutch feels great, so I'm really excited about that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, there's links below if you're interested in making your own pieces to reinforce your pedal before it snaps or if it already snapped. So just be aware of this. I'm glad I'm able to replace it now and not during the track having this problem, so I'm going to be good when I get to the track. It's going to be all sturdy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.